Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to explore some essential concepts in Liquid, tags, objects, and filters. Understanding what they are and how they differ from each other will make you much more comfortable moving forward. This is often the first roadblock you will encounter when learning Liquid, but once you understand them, you will be ready to tackle future concepts. So let's proceed. Let's start with tags. Tags are the logic within Liquid that tells the template what to do. They control the flow of the template, allowing you to add conditions, loops, and outputs. Think of tags like the director of a movie. He controls everything behind the scene, but we don't see him on the screen. You will see tags enclosed in curly brace parentheses, and they don't output visible content themselves, but they control what is shown on the website. We have created a new file tags-objects-filters.liquid inside the snippets folder, and we have connected this file inside the body tag of the theme.liquid file. We have opened a single product page on our website, and in the code editor we have declared the product title, which is rendering on this part. The conditional statement if tag is saying if the product is available in stock, then we will show the price of this product, and you can see the price of the product. Let's go to another product page which is out of stock. Sold out batch is rendering on the original product template. Similarly, the if tag is also rendering out of stock text on the website. In this example, the if tag is controlling the flow of this template. Tags come in different types like control flow tags. They manage conditions, for example, if and else tag. Iteration tags used to create loops, for example, for loop. Variable assignment tags, for example, assign and capture tag. We have used them to declare variables. Syntax tags, we have seen how to make comments in Liquid. This tag falls under this category. Theme tags, for example, render tag, we have used this tag to connect our snippet to the theme.liquid file. HTML tags, font and style tag, they produce HTML elements. We will see the use of these tags in future videos. Now let's talk about objects. Objects pull dynamic content from Shopify's database like product information or collection details, etc. You can think of objects as the actors in a movie. You can see them on the screen. Objects are Shopify's declared variables and expose data from the store. Objects are enclosed in double curly brace, and you can use them to display dynamic content like product title, price, and description, etc. In Liquid, some objects can be accessed globally, meaning you can use them almost anywhere on the website, no matter which template you are working with. Examples include shop, collection cart, etc. Other objects are template specific, which means they are only available in certain templates. For instance, the product object is only available on the product template. Let's try it in the code editor. In VS Code, we have declared two objects, the shop name and the product title. The shop name is a global object, which means we can access its data anywhere across the website. On the other hand, the product title is template specific. It's only available on the product template page. Let's take a look at the home page of our website. Here we can see the shop name is displaying, but we can see the product title because it's not available on this page. Now let's navigate to a single product page. Here we can see the data from both the objects. Filters in Liquid are used to modify the output of objects. You can apply filters to format or transform data in various ways. For example, you can change text to uppercase, format a date, or convert a number into a currency format. Think of filter like the makeup artist and special effects in a movie. You don't see them directly, but they have a huge impact on how everything looks and feels. Filters are used within double curly braces and separated by a pipe character. Let's add some filter in the code editor. First, we are applying the uppercase filter to the product title, which will convert the title to uppercase. Then we are adding the money filter to the product price, formatting it as a currency from cents to USD. Now we can see the changes, both the title and price have been modified. Next, let's switch the money filter to money with currency and save it. Now the currency symbol is added to the price. We will also apply the downcase filter to the product title, changing it to all lowercase. Save it. Product title is converted to lowercase. Finally, let's use the capitalize filter, which converts the first letter of the title to uppercase. Save it. We can see the change in the title. Multiple filters can be used on one output. They are parsed from left to right. Alright, let's do a quick recap of what we have covered today. We talked about the three core concepts in Liquid. Tags. These control the logic and flow of your templates, like using if tag for conditions and for tag for loops. Objects. These are your dynamic content pulling data from Shopify's backend, like product and customer information. Remember, some objects are global and can be used anywhere, while others are specific to certain templates. Filters. These modify the output of objects. You can format your data easily using filters, like money filter to display prices or upcase to capitalize text. By understanding these building blocks, you are well on your way to creating dynamic custom Shopify themes. Thanks for sticking with me through this tutorial. See you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.